Creation and destruction of the universe, a dialogue with question and answers. Why does the universe need to keep balancing? What significance and impact does it have on a human being? What is the purpose of the divine source continuously expanding as the growth of each soul expands in consciousness? What purpose do these expansions of consciousness serve? And does it impact those who are not in a soul form? Souls will keep taking birth in different planets across galaxies and dimensions to learn and expand. The purpose could be to learn to detach, to learn to love, not judge, to learn to see oneness and work together, to learn to be compassionate towards self and others, to drop the cravings, to drop the aversions, learning to not be in pain, learning to be in the moment, as time exists as one takes birth. List could go on, but to sum it up, these are all I could think of. Now the question. Universe has always sent messages like, when one thing is created, another thing gets destroyed or dies. It is like the constant birth and life process. So what does it actually mean? And how can humans understand their own life through this concept? The universe speaks now as I receive the messages. If one human hurts, somewhere another human is balancing this deed with a good karma. This also applies to the same human life. Like for example, if in past you destroyed many lives, but today you are a giver, you are balancing the universal energy. So where there is creation somewhere else, there is destruction happening in that same moment. It also means if there are more beings, human or other forms, who are creating goodness, higher vibrations, somewhere destruction is taking place to balance it. And the destruction could be in the form of removing those who are functioning at the lowest vibrational state. So, for the balance to be established with the increasing vibrational state of Earth, due to creations of goodness, destruction of those energies which can no longer sustain on Earth occurs. The same phenomena can also happen vice versa, like more creations of bad deeds, and it is balanced by destruction of what is good. So, why is this balance so important in the universe? I can explain better with an example of a weighing scale, which, if left untouched, it is in perfect balance. But the minute on one side something is put, it goes down. Now, to balance it well, something of a similar weight has to be put on the other end. This is what is actually happening in the universe in centuries. The entire universe was at a halt, totally in balance. Nothing happened. And then a big energy came out and everything was formed. And from there, the journey of creation and destruction and balancing it began. Nobody knows how and why the energy came out, but we know we have galaxies stretched across the universe. Coming back to human life, this phenomena of energy explosions happen throughout the universe. It also happens in a human body and any tiniest portion of the earth. Whenever it happens, there is a huge rapid shift of creation and destruction. The tornadoes, hurricanes, volcanoes, floods, famine, earthquakes, and other man made calamities is also like a big bang expanding and contracting. Humans who have still not awakened to the vastness of life creates a lower vibrational field while others create a higher vibrational field for balance to be established on earth. It is said that the earth is on its fifth spiritual dimension, means there has been a huge shift where there was more creation of goodness that got balanced by destruction of lower vibrational beings and energies. If we all keep evolving in this manner, a time shall come where the entire consciousness will be balanced, which means there will be no more a need to create, as there will be no longer a need for destruction. This is when the entire universe goes back from expanding and contracting to just being. Blessings.